Which of the following is found or excreted in the urine? Which of the following proteins is not normally suspended in the plasma? Which of the following does not belong to the group of blood vessels? Which of the following cells are found in the blood? Okay. Oops, may bonus. Let me go like this. Walang bonus. May correction. Okay. Number 13. Which of the following is not part of the lymphatic system? Which of the following plays a role in acquired immunity? Which of the following is the effect of antibodies against antigens? Which of the following are not pituitary hormones? Which is not under direct control of the hypothalamus? Which of the following is not a steroid hormone? Which of the following is produced by the posterior pituitary? So listening skills, it's a survival skill in college as well as in business. The ears and the eyes are more, well, probably more important than the mouth. Which of the following hormones are produced by the adrenals? Which of the following stages in urine formation occurs because of cell transport? Which of the following hormones regulate the ovarian and menstrual cycles? Which of the following is not called? So, magkaiba yung ovarian sa menstrual cycle, the ovaries and the uterus. Which of the following is not caused by a bacterium? What is an STD? Okay. Which STD is not curable by antibiotics? Number 25. Which part of the sperm cell? Which part of the sperm cell? A fetus is formed. Okay. Test 2. True or false? The tooth shall set. Endocrine. Okay. Reproductive. And then immune system. A little bit about the nervous system. Okay, the structure and organization lang ng nervous system yung sinama ko. Yan naman, di ba, pinabasa ko since day 1. Binigay ko na yung coverage ng day 1. Hindi ko na nga sasama yung muscles and bones, sensory perception, ano pa. The reproduction is importante, especially the role of hormones in regulating the menstrual cycle and the development of the fetus. Okay, konti na lang questions and more on immune and then endocrine and reproductive. Tapos may dalawang portion dito on CNS. So, language nyo naman to, innate and acquired. Okay. Components. What's the first line of defense, Mr. Chua? What's the second line of defense? What's the third line of defense? Okay, there are 3 lines of defenses, right? First line, your shield.
Skin.
And your armor. just like a knife. Okay? Somebody bangs you, hits you, strikes you, throws a shot at you, throws an arrow, you use the shield. You lose the shield because somebody is using his axe, you breaks your shield, right? You still have your armor, right? Okay? Somebody uses an arrow gun from China, let's say, and breaks through your armor. Okay? You still have a coat of mail, a chain mail inside, parang bulletproof vest. Okay? So, before that happens, of course, you have your battle axe. And, battle axe. Right? And your sword. Right? Okay? So, you fight. Diba? Second line of defense. First line of defense. Armor, shield, chainmail. It's the first line of defense. And then your weaponry. Okay? Okay? And then you have another line of defense. You can throw what? You have archers. You have your catapult. Okay? You have fire. Okay? Your third line of defense. Okay? So, non-specific and then adaptive. Innate, then what's next? Acquired. Okay. Membranes, barriers, fissions, phagocytes, ano pa? The inflammatory response, third, T cells and B cells, antibodies, and then cytotoxicity. Alright? So, papasa ka? Papasa. You have no choice. But up. Life is all about up. Okay? The difference between the T cells and the B cells. In the adaptive immune response, humoral and self-mediated immunity. Okay, chemistry of the hormones. What are water-soluble, what are lipid-soluble hormones, and how do they cause changes in target cells? Right? Okay, how? Diba? Signal transduction. Right? If the hormone is steroidal, the signal is induced inside the cell. Why? Because it's a fat. It can go inside. Okay? Now, if it's water-soluble, it cannot go inside. The signal is induced on the surface of the cell membrane. Changes occur inside. Okay? Either cell division or production of a certain substance. Let's say a protein. Or changes in the operation of the cell. Let's say growth, cell division. Right? Alright. So, glucose metabolism. Counteracting hormones. The liver, the center of the human body, regulates blood glucose levels, regulates the levels of waste, removes waste, regulates everything, the level of ions. Okay, kidneys, the level of ions, and solutes and water, right? Okay, so calcium metabolism. What is calcium? Why is it important? Okay, so nandun yung sa endocrine system. What's the role of the kidneys? Anti-diuretic hormone, diba? And calcitonin. Tama ba? Okay, very good. Tapasa. Okay. And then the ovarian cycle. And the menstrual cycle. Boys, kailangan mong mag-memorize ka. Bakit? 5 points ka. Hindi lang 5 points, pati doon sa dalawang test. Tanong ako doon. Okay. What is the best time to walk to your home? How do you know per cycle? Observe, be observant, and then plot it. So your projects gets approved. Totoo yan. Binibilang ko yan. Pagka nag-EPMS siya, sinirevert mo anong days. Anong days siya sweet? So pagka pag-business mo, babae, importante. Boss mo babae, importante yun. Customer mo babae, importante yun. That is human psychology. Applied to business. It's important. Who says science is not important? What is your course, Mr. Chua? What is your course, Rafael? Biology? Papatuwang ko tayo.
Bachelor of Science in Accounting.
Tayo, sigaw ng bayan.
Bachelor of Science.
Oh, yun! Bachelor of Science pala yun. So, may science. Diba? Diba? You apply science. And any economy is dependent on nature. And the scope of science is nature. No economy can exist without natural resources, including human resources. We will discuss that next semester. Okay. Kunti na pag-aaralan. Saan ka nang nakakita niyan? Meron pang advice. Okay. Structure ng nervous system. Ano lang naman yan? Central, saka peripheral. Okay. Structure ng peripheral. Ano yun? Somatic, saka autonomous. Somatic, skeletal muscles. Autonomous, internal organs. Okay? Divided into 3. Okay? Ano yun? Parasympathetic, sympathetic, saka enteric. Diba? Group of nerves. Ano yung parasympathetic? Rest and digest. Sex. Or sexual activities. No? Rest. Sleeping. No? Active when you're sleeping. Saan yun? No? The brainstem. No? The medulla and the pons. And then, the last nerves, the sacral nerves. Okay? In between, of course, internal organs, andun yung ilang nerves. Okay? The spinal nerves. Okay? Which controls and regulates activities of those organs and organ systems. So, sympathetic, energy-intensive activities. Okay? Fight or flight. Right? Okay. Or responses to stress. Okay. Napakasimple. Babasahin mo na. Okay. So, pusang palo. Wala in-upload si Sir. Nasa mo sa YouTube o kaya sa Google, di ba? Anong keyword? Nervous system. Yes, ma'am. 100 items, 75 lang ginawa ko. 10 to the 25.
Ilan kailangan?
Bibigay ka ako ng bonus.
Opo.
Ang dami na ng bonus doon ulit.
Dali na, sir. Sige na po.
Ito pa, mas dami.
Sige na po, sir.
Okay.
Love ka namin.
Ha?
Love ka namin.
Love mo ko?
Opo.
Namin, sino kayo?
Ng class.
Miss Goldwinder, you are an Indian national. When there's a will, there's a way. When you go back to India, or you can stay here. I've served Indian students from the Saturday Academy when I was in college. Tutorials, home tutorials. You can own land here if you know how. There's so much opportunity here that's not found in India.
Ano ba? Sorry.
And there are opportunities as well if you are lazy between India and the Philippines. You just have to find. Look, you shall find. Anong meron sa India na wala rito, and vice versa. Okay? Ano kailangan ng India, ano kailangan ng Philippines. Questions? May questions pa? You just PM or message me through Facebook. Okay, class treasurer, no? Exams, total 4 pages yung exam. 2 pesos yung stand-on. Okay, tapos 3 pesos, 9 pesos ito. If you can do it today, please. Kasi pabayaran ko yung copy. Bye guys. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Good luck tomorrow.
Sir,
Next time. Second sem.
Sek. Kopya nga ako. Okay lang.